Okay guys, so I'm back at this shopping center again, and well, you remember that 2005 standard? Well, it got replaced with this new Fujitsu unit. I think it's a brand new one. It has, it has a cope and scroll compressor. No logo. It's from 2025, this is a 4-ton. I guess the old standard was a 4-ton. And yeah, they have the new refrigerant A2L. This one has been running. Here's a bigger one. This one replaced the Rheem. That sounded pretty bad. No, it was that one. 2025, that's a 5-ton. Just like the old Rheem, so. Also has a cope and scroll compressor. And yeah, these lost the logo, I guess. That one's also been running. Here's this 2020 Sure Comfort. It's still here. They didn't replace this one because it's not that old. Yeah, 2020, it's a 5-ton. It's been running. Here's another Fujitsu. This one replaced that 2011 Bryant Legacy line. That was right there, but they moved it a little bit closer. This one's from January of 2025. That's a 4-ton. Yep, it's also been running. Also has that cope and scroll compressor, just like the others. Alright. And there's one more. Oh, that Sure Comfort just started up. Yeah, that's ice cold. I was hoping it would be the new one. And then here's one running down here. Sounds really nice. It's warm. It's ice cold. This one's from 2025. It's also a 5-ton. So there's a lot of these. We have 4 brand new Fujitsu units. These are the first ones here in all this town. I wish I could get a startup. Maybe I can. I may come back here another day to get one starting up. And yeah, they have the new swept blade design, which is really cool. See that? They remind me of Train XR fan blades, but yeah. This thing's shaking. Well, I'm not gonna stick around for much longer. I don't want to get caught. But yeah, these are the first 2025 Fujitsu units, I believe. So yeah, we're gonna get a picture. So yeah, this was the standards replacement. So I just want these in the photo, and then we'll get this one. I'm gonna get all of them. I wish they had the logo. And I'm not trying to make this video too long, so let me just get a shot of this other one. we'll get like a blade shot. Alright. So, 4 brand new Fujitsu units at the shopping center. Still wish I could get a startup of one of the new ones. Maybe I can, but I'm not gonna stick around for much longer. So yeah. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.